recent reports from March 17, 2025, the Chinese Navy has introduced a significant upgrade to its anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities with the integration of Z-20F helicopters. These helicopters are now being equipped on the latest batch of Type 052D destroyers, replacing older models such as the Z-9C and Ka-28. A newly surfaced image from Chinese social media shows the fourth batch of these destroyers at a shipyard, with a Z-20F helicopter neatly stowed in an open hangar. This move signifies China's commitment to advancing its naval aviation and enhancing underwater defense strategies. The Z-20F, a navalized variant of the Z-20 medium-lift helicopter, marks a new chapter in China's anti-submarine efforts. Derived from the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk design, the Z-20F boasts specialized features like a fly-by-wire control system, advanced sensors, and enhanced maritime operational capabilities. Not only is it expected to be deployed on destroyers, but it will also be integrated into a variety of ships, such as the Type 054B frigates, Type 075 amphibious assault ships, and even future aircraft carriers like the Type 003 Fujian. Historically, China's pursuit of advanced helicopters for naval operations stems from the challenges posed by earlier aircraft models. The People's Liberation Army (PLA) faced limitations when it came to purchasing advanced helicopters after an arms embargo was imposed in the late 1980s. This led to the development of indigenous alternatives, with the Z-20 making its debut in 2013. The Z-20F variant specifically addresses the increasing need for long-range anti-submarine operations, with the helicopter's sensors and weapons tailored to detect and neutralize underwater threats effectively. One of the key features of the Z-20F is its extended range and improved payload compared to its predecessors. While the Z-9C had a modest range of 50 kilometers, the Z-20F can cover significantly greater distances, increasing the reach and effectiveness of ASW patrols. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors like a magnetic anomaly detector (MAD), a dipping sonar system, and a U-7 lightweight torpedo, the Z-20F strengthens the Chinese Navy's ability to establish a reliable underwater defense perimeter, crucial for carrier strike group operations in deep-sea environments. The Z-20F is powered by two domestically produced WZ-10 turboshaft engines, providing it with the capability to reach speeds of up to 360 km per hour and a cruising speed of 290 km per hour. With an operational range of 560 km and a service ceiling of 6,000 meters, the Z-20F exhibits exceptional versatility for operations across both coastal and open sea environments. Its modular design also allows it to perform a variety of roles, including surveillance, reconnaissance, vertical replenishment, and medical evacuation, making it a valuable asset across multiple types of naval missions. Compared to the U.S. Navy's MH-60R Seahawk, the Z-20F may have a shorter range but compensates with increased payload capacity and a lower maintenance profile, making it a more cost-effective solution for China's naval forces. It's also integrated with China's Beidou satellite navigation system, which further enhances its operational efficiency. The folding rotor and tail boom design ensure that the helicopter can be efficiently stored aboard warships, making it suitable for deployment on a variety of vessels, including the Type 052D and Type 055 destroyers. In conclusion, the introduction of the Z-20F represents a major step forward in China's naval capabilities, particularly in anti-submarine warfare. By replacing older models with this more advanced helicopter, the Chinese Navy strengthens its ability to counter underwater threats effectively while enhancing overall operational flexibility. The Z-20F's integration into a wide range of Chinese warships, including future aircraft carriers, will likely play a pivotal role in securing China's maritime interests in the years to come.